Okay, here is my 72 Triumph TR6 Tiger, and going to put it up for sale here. Just got too many bikes and I don't ride this one enough. Really nice bike. Was a full restoration that was never really put on the road, so just about everything's been rebuilt or replaced. Have tons of paperwork on it. I bought it a little over a year ago and then finished it up. Like I said, it was kind of basically restored but never ridden, so needed some lot of adjustments. Motor was fully rebuilt but not run, so I've broken it in, and then retorqued everything. Valve adjustment. I didn't like the way the clutch was done. I put a billet pressure plate, center screwed pressure plate on it to make the clutch work a lot nicer. What else? Pays on ignition. Changed some of the wiring. So it's running a solid state regulator rectifier. And yeah, pays on ignition, lithium battery. Otherwise, yeah, good coils, good wiring, all that's done. Electrical works, new tires, brakes, you name it. Just a really nice, clean, early oil and frame Triumph. Being a 72, has the cool vented disc brake, or sorry, not disc brake, drum brake, which is super awesome. Painted fenders, which I think they've been painted, but I think that's correct for a TR6. Just put a brand new carb on it, so it has a brand new Amel Premier that I just installed. The old one was just not in great shape and never ran quite right with it. It was a rebuilt old one. Running a pancake filter and the plastic like 60s style side covers. Airbox, original airbox comes with it, no problem. Have that, have a new set of fork tubes, some other parts. But yeah, overall, really nice bike. Let's fire it up here. Get a little gas going. Nice old oil and frame, 650, ready to ride. So come get it. Clean title. Oh, in Colorado, and my name as well. So ready to rock. Oh, it is a reproduction gas tank. I don't think I mentioned that. It's a reproduction tank with new paint and all. So looks nice, but it is not an original Triumph tank. Yeah, so there you go. Nice bike. All right, see ya.